Hello everyone, welcome back to On to Step. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to know if someone unmasked you on Bumble account. So in order to know if someone unmasked you on Bumble, first of all go ahead and tap on your Bumble app. Now you will be appear with this particular screen on your mobile phone. So go ahead and tap on that little chat icon which is in the bottom right corner, and then here you can see several options where you will be able to see all the chats you have chat with. So if they have unmatched you, their profile will be moved from here, and then your conversation will also be deleted. So that's how we can know if someone unmatched you on Bumble. The profile of them won't be shown under the matched you, and then their chats will also be disappeared. So that's the only working method to see if someone unmatched you on Bumble, as there's no other way to do that. So if you found the video to be helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.